This is Travis Rodgers. I'm here with Dr. Shefal here at the Chicago Midwinter. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So there's a lot of buzz, a lot of excitement about the Guiding Leaders Summit coming up April 24th and 25th that Glidewell is putting on for women. Can you tell us about the event?
So I'm going to do my best to contain my excitement. I just want to let you guys know it's a 2-day conference. It's to empower women in dentistry. I just think it's so exciting because there's not enough events like that. We have 20 plus courses there. We have speakers that are going to be doing not only dental clinicians talk, but also talking about leading in dentistry and just being better managers.
So this is a 2-day conference for women specifically, and you're a dentist yourself. You're going to bring your team. Tell the people that are listening why they should bring their female team members.
So I think just like in dental school for all of us dentists, we spend a lot of time learning about dentistry, not enough about management. And that's a huge role that takes place in the dental office. It's so important not just for us, but even our office managers, our team in general, to know how to communicate with patients, how to communicate with our vendors. And this really puts you in that leadership role where you're comfortable to do that and can do it efficiently.
So many different events out there. I know you guys have some great clinical stuff that you're doing at this event, but there's also some wellness and some leadership training that you're doing. Tell us a little bit more about that.
So something that I find very important is to lead with passion and with positivity. And the courses that we have at this seminar are going to really reflect that. You can really take everyone to the next level with the whole mind, body, spirit thing.
Yeah, I love the diversity of all the classes and what you're offering there. Tell us about the CE. That's always an important thing when people are coming to these events.
Yes.
How many CEs do they earn coming to this event?
So with the 2-day event, you can get up to 9 CE credits, and I think that's really great because you will also get to do yoga on the beach while you're getting those 9 CE credits.
Nice. Well, in April, that's gonna be cold. So by the end of the winter, everybody is gonna be excited to come out to sunny California for this event. So if somebody's interested in learning more about the event, how do they register for the conference?
You can just go to www.guidingleaders.com/summit.
All right. Well, thanks for your time. Exciting event.
Thank you so much. We hope to see you there.
We're looking forward to seeing you and your staff at the Guiding Leaders Summit in April 24th and 25th, 2020.
See you there.